Hi family, welcome to YouTube. Today we have information coming in from Sudan. Sudan has announced that it will restart the transportation of South Sudanese crude oil to international market through Port Sudan after repairing a damaged pipeline. A South Sudanese team, including security advisor Tut Galwag and Petroleum Minister Port Kang, visited Port Sudan to meet with Sudanese Energy Minister Dr. Moi to discuss preparation for the export. The Sudanese minister highlighted the strong relationship between the two countries and the importance of oil in connecting them. Both sides are working together to ensure oil flows smoothly from South Sudan to Port Sudan. Tut Galwak emphasized that restarting oil export is crucial for both countries, especially since the stoppage has caused hardship in South Sudan. The pipeline had been damaged in February 2024, leading to major economic problems in South Sudan, where oil makes up over 90% of its income. This caused the value of their currency to drop, making it hard for people of South Sudan to afford basic goods. While South Sudan had been looking for alternative routes, such as building a new pipeline through Ethiopia to Djibouti, the repair of the existing pipeline is now complete. Oil export will soon resume, helping South Sudanese economy recover. So I have a question here. Uh, since the Sudan government already repaired the damaged pipeline, and most of you know that South Sudan government already start building a new route that could go through Gambela, Jima, Addis Ababa, and then to Djibouti. So what I'm asking is that will South Sudanese government stop building the route because the route is it's still unfinished? Will they stop building that route, or will they continue? Since Sudan government already opened this route, or they repair the damaged pipeline in order for South Sudanese government to continue or to resume oil exportation. Will they continue building the route, or will they stop? So that's my question.